ban yasnok tilang bat kaperthehi barokawai ban rakhe ya ka International Yoga Day kapla jurakhe malakar poetri gujileu Kariboy District Yoga Sana Sports Association harangkat ka yoga sel jong Kariboy College mentagasngi ka arpo tre gujileu kalar khelpa ya ka International Yoga Day Hariboy College ha kani kasngi lawan malsakilang da ka Ayushi Pradhan Assistant Commissioner Kariboy kum ka kongsan ha ka jingedon lang ka kong Enfiali Nita Sun SWO Kariboy District ka Principal Jong Kariboy College ka kong Elizabeth Kharkongor u Michael Maid District Youth Officer Kamara Yuba Bharat kinong hikai bat kisamla pule ketika college harangkat kinong kitkam Kariboy District Yoga Sana Sports Association habakren hakane kasngi ka Ayushi Pradhan kalaong ba ka jingyele kai yoga kadai ka wei ka jingyele kai kilanmen kabaai ka jingko jingkhia ya kinong shongshnong kari bat kaderu kaja jingyele kai kabala ithu ha ka perthei hi baro ka wei bat lada kinong yele kai ke simbanta ha kani ka jing yelakai ka jing mantoy kawan ra ha ka jing ko jingkhia bat ha ka prakhat pradang
in a much better way. I was able to study under some stressful situations, so I had personally benefited from yoga. So it was just a 15 minutes investment, but I feel it has in some or the other way it has changed my way of looking things. So therefore I would recommend that each and every one of us should give at least 30 minutes or 20 minutes, if not 30, to yoga. You don't require to go to any expensive gym or anything. You just require a simple yoga mat, and you just require a few basic practices. You can have a lot of YouTube videos also nowadays where they properly guide you regarding the steps of yoga. So I think each and every one of us should take a mindful decision that we practice yoga on a daily basis. So, as we know that yoga has its tradition from our ancient Indian wisdom, and by lot of efforts has also been taken by the government of India, the Ministry of Ayush, to revive yoga. So, I really feel that we all of us has the responsibility to ensure that our ancient wisdom is not lost, and the benefits of those ancient wisdom we should reap it till today. Thank the Kariboy District Yogasana Sports Association for recognizing the importance of yoga. I would like to thank the Kariboy College and the Health and Hygiene Cell for their thoughtful collaboration. Today's event, I think it's very much far-reaching. So let us not see this Yoga Day just as a one-time observance, but let us see it as a starting point of a daily commitment, however small, to our physical, mental and emotional health. In the words of B.K.S. Iyengar, yoga is a light which once lit will never dim. The better your practice, the brighter the flame. As we participate in today's session, let us do so not with formality but with the presence. So as we leave from today, let us carry something home. It should not just be a memory but a habit of practicing yoga every single day.